This is the Savage Scientist head right here. And I do Uber and police car. Savage Scientist back in here today. So, why I think this is one of the best phones. See that? You could go into anything including Takstar. So you could set this up to actually activate a shortcut. And it's, you know, and this is the thing that, as why I think that this phone, this button has the exact functionality that the Bixby button have, but Samsung decided to, hey, we don't know nothing about this S5. This phone has an extra button right here on the side that they do not want, and they know that they could have set up Bixby to be just as functional as this. That's why I say the S5, it was one of the best phones that Samsung ever put out.